This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn today how to use thesaurus in Microsoft Word. So you can see that we have a paragraph in the Word document, like it starts with clouds are made of droplets of water and ends at from volcanoes, etc. So first we will learn the definition of thesaurus. Thesaurus actually consists of words in groups of synonyms, which improves your vocabulary. Moreover, you can change the word to its synonyms to express the meaning more accurately. To use the thesaurus, we will follow the given steps. First of all, we will select the word which we want to use as synonym or anonym on it. So we will click the word constituent, and then we'll click the review tab from the ribbon. From here we will click the review tab, and then we'll click the thesaurus button like this. So the thesaurus task pane will appear on the right side of the screen. This is the thesaurus task pane, and we can view the word options. Select the word for replacement. Left click on the word option. We will left click on the word options. Will be appear like we will click on the word option. We're gonna replace the word constituent with the word components. So we will click insert option from the list. The selected word will get pasted in the place of the old word. So viewers, you can see that we have the word constituent in this paragraph, and we are gonna change the word constituent with its synonym component. So we will click the insert button from here like this. So we'll click on the insert button. So viewers, you can see that the word component has been replaced with the word constituent. So this is how it is done, and we have seen that how the thesaurus works in Microsoft Word. So thanks for watching, and that's all.